ube, coconut milk, and condensed milk.
Condensed milk, 1 can.
1 can condensed milk, 1 can coconut milk,
1 cup.
1 cup of
ng
fresh milk, and a bit of salt. Yes. There you go. 1/4 cup of sugar, yes. White sugar.
White sugar.
And then, ano pa?
Mix na siya.
Para hindi masira ang...
Hindi ito. Yung ano?
Ayun. Anong tawag dyan?
Ano? Ayun o, ganun. Yun nga nakalagay doon sa ano.
O, sige na.
Talaga.
Gawin mo na.
Mix well ba?
Ang bango-bango.
Ay, hindi.
Sarap sa... Ay, hindi naman naka-on.
On ka na.
I love the color. Purplicious. So, ayan. Pure na. Wala na yung kulay white. Naging purple na siya. So, oh, meron pa. Meron pang doon. May naririnig pa ako. I think pakuluin yan. No? Okay. So, yan. Mix the toasted glutinous rice. Ganito pala. It's my first time actually na makapanood ng pagluluto ng secret. Secret yan. Maybe. Kailangan i-on.
Malakas ba?
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Ayan, malapit nang maluto, 5 oras pa. Pwede na? O hindi pa?
Hindi pa siya.
Hindi pa mabuo?
Ha?
Patayin mo kahit kakain pa tayo. The cheese? Oh my gosh, ganun pala yun. Then ihalo-hali ulit. Masunog.
Mainit ba?
Diyos ko. Talagang mayroon bang ganyan? This is a surprise.
Natunaw na lang yun.
Malapit na. O yan, so tapos na. Ngayon, ilagay natin ito dun. Ito yung toasted rice flour. Ay, ganyan pala. Kainin ko na lang yan.
Kainin mo?
Tapos iba itappings mo to.
Oo, pag ano na, i-roll yun.
Ay, pabaan.
Pero malamig pa, mainit pa kasi. Kaya.
Fridge mo kaya?
Ito? Wala, mamaya okay na.
Ayan. After like 30 minutes, we will be back. So this is the nalutong panggamit.
That I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. just become the right person that actually
Yes,
matters.
Badong.
And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations
Yum.
that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh, yeah. I wish there was a song